So far, all these numbers that we saw using decimal place value mat or decimal place value strips, we have used these DLMs. The same thing in the representation stage, let us see how to show it in a square line notebook. So, this is the square line notebook. We know how to draw a 9-room square in a square line notebook. Now, let us see how it can be extended to decimal number. Let us see how. Now, 13.45. This is the first number, 13.45. Let us represent it. 13. First, the 10th place, units and tens. 110 and 3 ones. Now, here, let us put the point here. We are now going to places that are less than unit. In the place value mat, what did we see? What is this place called? 1/10 or 1 of 10, 1 by 10. So, what do we get in these boxes? 4 1/10s. 4 1/10s. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how we write 4 1/10ths in the representation stage. In the representation stage using the square line book. So, this is how we have drawn a 9-squared box. Similarly, where am I going? 1 of 100 or 1 by 100. What is it called? 100th. How many do we have here? How many 1 by 100s? We have here 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here 1 room of 10 is filled, 3 of units, and how many rooms of 1/10 are full? 4 are full, and 1 of 100, how many are full? 5 are full. So 13.45. So this is how we write it in the representational stage. This is how we write it. The same thing, I will take another number, 12.08. How do we write it? Tens place, units place. What do we have in the units place? We have 2 units and 1 10. It is now 12. Now we have 0.08. Now let us mark 1 tenths and 1 hundredths. How do we show these two positions? I will write those positions here. This is 1 by 100. This is 1 by 10. What should I write? Now, what should I write in the 1/10th position? 12.08. What is in the 1/10th place? Nothing. So, 0. Then we have 8 here. So, in the 1 by 100 position, 100th position. I should write it 8 times. Then I get 12.08. There is 1 in the 10th place, 2 in the units place, nothing in the 1/10th place, and 8 in 100th position. This is how we can write 12.08. Third number, what can it be? Do you know? 10.20. This is the number. It should be very easy. First is 10. How do we write 10? First, let me draw the 9 rooms and then write the place value as 10 units, 1 by 10 and 1 by 100. This is 1 by 100, this is 1 by 10. Now 10, 1 in the tens room and nothing in the units. And in 1/10th position, how many positions should I fill? 2. So we have 2 of 1 by 10 and nothing in the 1 by 100. So 1 room of 10 is full, nothing in units. Point. 1 by 10, 2 positions are full, nothing in 1 by 100. This practice, when children practice in the square line notebook, they will know how to write it automatically on their own. Here, what is meant by 0.20, or here, what is meant by 0.45? That is how many 1/10ths and how many 100ths are available. This has to be very clear. What has happened here? In a way, if I do surgery on 13, if I open it, what is inside? If I open 4-5, what is in it? It becomes easy for us to see. Children will understand the abstract writing of 13.45. How was it created? When we look inside, this is how it looks. That becomes very clear.